Well guys, welcome to Mathcon 2022.
This year's event was wonderful. First of all, it's been after 3 years that we had a 3 years break of COVID, if you like. We are so excited to be back in this building, McCormick Place, with this wonderful Lakeview, Michigan. And so it's amazing that this is happening here. And I'm very excited to see these people, these kids, the students, very energetic, filled with enthusiasm just to do a math competition here.
We had, 600 kids that showed up here, traveled from all across the country. We had just about 35 states, a couple kids from Canada, very well represented, really wide range of races and cultures. It was really wild to see.
I am from Birmingham, Alabama.
Michigan.
I'm from New York State.
Yuma, Arizona.
North Carolina.
And I'm from New York.
Florida. I'm from Ohio.
State of Maryland.
New York State.
Pennsylvania. I'm from Massachusetts, Illinois.
Baltimore.
California.
Connecticut. California.
Maryland. Ohio.
Florida. Nevada.
The event is really just to provide an academic competition for kids who might not otherwise have one. It's really incredible that we can get everybody together from across the country and just celebrate math and celebrate students' academic achievements.
I love being in here in person. There's an experience like no other. Seeing all the other kids getting ready to take the test, I'm so excited and I love it.
It's really amazing. This is like a brand new opportunity for me because I've never been here before and it's really cool.
It's pretty fun.
I really enjoyed it.
I have really liked it.
I think it's been a fun and interesting competition.
Questions are challenging but balanced. I think it's really fun and there are lots of interesting problems.
This is the only math comp that I've taken that invites people from all over the world, like the AMC, AIME. They're all cool, but they're not in person. I think it's really cool. Really helps ignite that fire for math.
So far it's been amazing. This is my second year attending. I really love the competition. It challenges me a lot.
It's nice to see students gathering from all over the country, coming here, all passionate about math.
Lots of people traveling for sports around the country, but not as frequently for academics. So I thought that was really intriguing.
The competition was really fun. The test was not too hard, not too easy either. It was like a nice level. And I really like the total atmosphere and especially like the Rubik's Cube competition in Game 24.
It gave me more test experience.
The test, really fun. I really liked the questions. Some were really hard, some were easy, but it was just great. Yeah.
It was really great. I really loved the in-person event.
I had a lot of fun. I got to see cool friends, meet new people.
I think it was very exciting, but there's also some stressful moments in the competition.
It was really exciting. To meet all these people who are so similar to us, you could interact with them. It was really cool.
At the start, I was sort of confused because like, oh my God, I'm going to nationals. And then once I came here, I saw it's such a great place. It's so big. And I thought it would be a great experience. And I waited the whole 1 hour thinking like, oh my God, so many names. And then I finally heard my name and I was like really excited.
I feel really happy. I'm glad that I got silver.
People put a lot of effort into this and I did.
Oh, I loved it. All of the problems were super interesting. I think a lot of times math competitions tend to have like really boring, repetitive problems. These ones were so fantastic. So I really enjoyed taking the competition.
I'm really happy. I'm really proud of myself. I'm happy that I studied a lot.
The competition was also really thrilling. It feels amazing. I'm over the moon about it.
Math is a universal language, right? It's spoken everywhere, and that's our common denominator. We have kids from all ages, 4th through 12th grade, from different regions of the country, from different ethnicities. This is math brought them together today. It was so exciting to see people's excitement, happiness and joy and engagement during the day. It was so fun. Hopefully, here what I see today is in the eyes of those young, bright kids, like future scientists, future mathematicians, future astronauts, It is very important for us that we are able to contribute to this it's like STEM education in the United States. Hopefully that we'll be able to manage that, and then in the future our country will have even higher ranking in the STEM education.